What up? So we're changing the fairings on this today. I'll just give you a walk around. That'll be removed. Go back to my integrated tail lights. So like I said, the frames are being changed because that's loose. That's loose. That's being held by a zip tie. Aftermarket. Bunch of cracks. These not being fitted properly. Same thing here. Same thing over here. Aftermarket. Over here. It's the same thing. Come up here. Fairings are loose. And then down here, of course this broke off as well, so I had it by a zip tie, which I'll remove. And then that's what I was running around with for like a week. I already started taking some stuff out, like the bulb, as you can see. I took this one out, and I already took this one out, and I'll take those ones out when I get to it. So we're halfway there. Halfway there. I like the look without the windshield, I ain't gonna lie. So just like this piece off right here. There's one bolt in here that's holding up the headlights. That's giving me a real fight. I know y'all can't see it, but it's right here. It's the last. I'm trying to see if I can show y'all. That's that bolt. It's the last one. That right there, giving me a real fight to get out so I could remove the whole headlight assembly. Because I wanted to take it all off, the headlights, and then put it on the new fairings, and then put it back on. So that, I just said, oh well, I left that. So now I'm moving to the rear. So I gotta take the seat off. I'll take this off in a second. And yeah, that's it. So like I said, all this is loose already. It's just a matter of getting that last bolt out. And then, oh well, let me work on this. I'll be right back. So finally, this is like probably 3 hours later. That is off. This is all. I had to take that off by itself. So this is all the old fairing. This is what the bike looks like. I put, well, the seat isn't on, it's just covering the battery because it's hot as shit outside. Also, I didn't know my bike had a power commander, so I guess I could get it tuned. So I didn't take, I took the OEM fender off, so I have my integrated turn signals on now. I didn't take this off because I don't know if the other kit came with one. So this is the undertail, they don't normally come with one. So anyways, so this is what it looks like. And also, I can't tell if I have oil in my bike or not. I can't tell if the oil is low or if it's empty, which is weird, but I'll get that checked out. So these things are left. I gotta take these off individually because I have the frame sliders that I gotta put on. So this is left on this side. It is hot as shit. And then on this side, I'll take this off, which is real easy. and then I put the frame sliders on before I started putting the fairings back on. All right, that's it. I gotta go assemble the other fairings and then I'll be back. So this is everything laid out on the ground. I gotta do it in the house because outside is too hot. So it's everything laid out. Literally all the pieces. I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the headlight in, and then I'll go back outside, and then I'll do the rest outside. I'll try to assemble as much as I can in here, and then do the leak go outside. They even sent these for the this is for the Hey, hope y'all can hear me. Alright, I ain't even gonna try. That is too much work. So, here we go. Like I said, I was gonna leave the visor off just to see what it looks like. I need to wipe it down, but also my turn signals don't work. My turn signals do not work. But need to give it a wash and clean it up real good. Everything is fitting real nice. Yeah, my turn signals don't work, so tomorrow I'm gonna bring it to a shop and I've been at this thing all morning, but I like how it came out. I do like how it came out. So tomorrow I'll bring it to a shop and I gotta get I'll tell the guy to check the turn signals for me, because I think I just pushed something out of the way or whatever, and then I'll get the frame sliders installed. But so far so good. I like the little red accent taking it off. But yeah, not bad at all. As well, the only issue that I had was that this doesn't fit flush, and with the aftermarket fairings, that's the only issue. But I could drill this out a little bit and then make it fit flush. But outside of that, on both sides, everything is good. Everything came out good. So right here, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but as well, so it's a little bit short, cuts a little bit short. So like I said, I could drill right here, drill it out a little bit so this could fit in it, and that'll give me a peace of mind. But yeah, that's the only issue I had with it. Now my bike looks good. Feels better already. Alright, let me shut up. Give you some circles. Play me some Pimpin' Mine. Alright. Go for a little spin. I left all my gear at the house. Hopefully y'all can hear me. Alright. Let's go for a little spin. I left all my gear at the house because, like I said, I've been at this thing since all morning. I've been at this bike since like 10 this morning. It's now 7:43 and I just got done. If you're gonna do this, try to get help. And it is hot as shit right now. Anyways. There you go. That's something for y'all. Alright. Don't know how good y'all can hear that, but that second wheelie that kind of scared the shit out of me because the tires aren't warmed up or nothing, and that's always the rule number. Well, rule number 2, cover your back brake, is rule number 1, and rule number 2 is make sure your tires are warmed. So feels good. I'll tell you what, I am getting a lot more breeze than I thought I would, but oh well, not bad at all, not really bad. All right. I wanted to ride with my visor up, but I don't know if y'all would hear me properly, so I got it down. But the bike does feel, I don't want to say feels lighter, like the windshield makes that much of a difference, because it doesn't, but I'm getting way more breeze than I thought I would, which makes sense because now the breeze isn't going over me. Anyways, not bad, not bad at all. It is hot. I try to take some pictures. I try to get some pictures on my phone, and then we could put them in a clip. But subscribe to all that good stuff. Chasing the wheelie boy? That's not good. Don't worry, I'll get there eventually. I'll get there eventually. Rome wasn't built in a day. it goes up, I get nervous as fuck, man, because I don't want to loop. Alright. That's enough shenanigans for one day. Bye-bye.